Artful time, come on, grab your friends. We'll go learn, have fun, and explore the bends. With Artful, your next door neighbor, the fun will never end. Artful time.
Hi, I'm Artemis. What time is it?
It's Artful time.
That's right. I'm craving for a fruit today. I'm thinking of a fruit that starts with the second letter of the alphabet, the letter B. Can you help me find the fruit? That's right. Banana starts with the letter B. Let's spell banana together. Ready? Start. B A N A N A Banana. Good job. I feel like singing. Did you know a banana is a type of berry?
It's yellow and it's long. It's a fruit you can't miss. It's got a peel, you gotta rip. For a taste you'll kiss. It's good for you, it's full of fun. It's the best fruit around. It's the banana, the one that makes everyone shout. The banana song, the banana song. Let's sing and dance all day long. The banana song, the banana song. It's the best food, you can't go wrong. You can eat it plain, or in a smoothie, or bake it in a bread. It's yummy, yummy, yummy. It's the best thing in your head. So grab a banana and join the fun. Let's wiggle and we'll sway. The banana song, it's here to stay. The banana song, the banana song. Let's sing and dance all day long. The banana song, the banana song. It's the best food, you can't go wrong. Banana, banana, oh so sweet. Peel it open, can't be beat. Banana, banana, oh so bright. It's the best food day and night. It's the best food, you can't go wrong.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you, much appreciated. You can ask your parents to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss new videos from Artful Time.